Hello everyone, it's your girl Josephine once again with another tutorial. So today we are going to learn the easiest way of achieving a straight or pencil skirt, and these are the tools that we will need, or the materials that we are going to use, plus the measurements that we are going to work with. So I'm going to start by measuring my waist to hips, which was 8 inches. I went ahead and marked the full length of our skirt. Yes, after that I did the same thing to the other side so that I can get a perfect straight line while connecting them. I went ahead and connected the 2 points together to make a straight line, and that will be our hip line. Went ahead and also joined at the hem. That is going to be our hem line. So we are going to start by measuring 2 inches starting from the middle, and those 2 inches are going to work as our zipper allowance. In this pattern, it's going to work for both front and back piece. So we first measured 2 inches from the front, that is the zipper allowance. I went ahead and labeled it. Then from that line, that's where we are going to start from while measuring our other measurements. So I indicated the waist measurements. Since my waist was 28, I divided it by 4 and got 7 inches. I went ahead and added 1 inch for the dart allowance and 1 inch for the sewing allowance. On the hip line, I indicated 9. That's the value that we got after dividing the 36 divided by 4, and also added 1 inch for sewing allowance. So whatever I got at the hip line is what I measured down. But this is only working on a straight skirt, as I'm going to be showing you. So I got my curved ruler and used it at the hip so that I don't get sharp edges. I went ahead and connected those together. I'm making sure that I'm separating the allowance from the exact measurements. That's what I was doing there. I shaped the edges so that we don't have sharp edges. Of course, no one has sharp hips. So I went ahead and got the midpoint, and that's where I'm going to mark 4 inches going down. That is going to be the length of our dart. After drawing a straight line there, I went ahead and measured ½ inch on both sides of that line, and those are going to be our dart legs. I connected them to the 4 inches. So we are almost done. So this was me drawing the lines to the bottom. Yes, and from that hem line I measured 1½ inches. That was what I was going to use as the folding allowance. Drew a straight line connecting both the points. We are almost there. So I labeled that line as the hip line, waistline. Yes. So we are going to see how to achieve a pencil skirt. Right here is a straight skirt, and this was me cutting my skirt. After this, I'm going to show you how to achieve a pencil skirt. Yes. So this was me still folding the zipper allowance, and as I told you that we are going to use this exact pattern for both front and back pieces. If we are to cut the front, we will have to fold the zipper allowance in, and after that we can fold it out so that we can cut the back piece in case we are transferring it on our fabric. So that was me marking the dart and zipper allowance. I subtracted 1 inch from the hemline and also came down from the hip line by 1 inch, and I connected the 2 points together, and that is going to be our pencil skirt. So this is our pattern. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is where we cut for the pencil skirt and there for the